Is it time to buy or sell Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tonix Pharmaceuticals. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and gain access to free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.46. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of over 46% since we first identified Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This corresponds to an average return of 1.6% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further increase within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 649.76% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 332.21% and 848.76%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of about 4.63%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 98.34% and 30.45% over the next year. In today's terms, this would position the future price somewhere between 274 tenth-thousandths of a dollar and $21.48. Our latest daily update for Tonix Pharmaceuticals includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Tonix Pharmaceuticals Stock Price on Wednesday, moving between $16.10 and $19.80. The Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock price fell by nearly 20% on the last day, Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, from $20.53 to $16.47. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated nearly 23%, reaching a low of $16.10 and a high of $19.80. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by over 50% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 663,000 shares, with a total of 2 million shares bought and sold for approximately $31,002,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $21.70, while the lowest price was 11.8 cents. Currently, the price is approximately 24%, or $5.23, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $6,015,983.53, below the all-time high on the 29th of March, 2017, when the price reached $6,016,000. Tonix Pharmaceuticals, trading under the ticker TNXP, has recently announced its financial results for the fourth quarter and the full year of 2024. The company reported cash reserves amounting to $98.8 million, which is expected to sufficiently support operations beyond the FDA PDUFA goal date of August 15, 2025, for TNX-102 SL. If approved, this candidate will mark the first new drug for managing fibromyalgia in over 15 years, significantly enhancing the company's market position. Furthermore, Tonix shared positive top-line results from its Phase 1 study of TNX-1500, a promising candidate aimed at preventing organ transplant rejections and treating autoimmune diseases. The company has also secured a government grant to develop its Mpox vaccine, TNX-801, which is intended to provide protection against monkeypox. These advancements could improve investor sentiment and increase demand for TNXP shares. In the short term, such announcements may result in heightened stock volatility as traders respond to forthcoming FDA decisions and clinical data releases. In the long term, a successful drug launch could establish a reliable revenue stream, fostering sustainable growth for Tonix Pharmaceuticals and potentially driving an upward trend in its stock price. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned TNXP a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 11th of April, 2024, it was reported that Noble Capital Markets assigned TNXP an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 11th of April, 2024, it was reported that Noble Capital also assigned TNXP an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of June, 2022, it was reported that Noble Financial assigned TNXP a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of May, 2022, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned TNXP a hold rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is viewed as a strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. The Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal derived from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During potential downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $15.57 and $10.18. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 18, 2025, resulting in a decline of nearly 20%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 200 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 37 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 61 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $14.63 and $13.47. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Tonix Pharmaceuticals finds support just below today's level at $14.63. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $13.47 and $12.50. This stock may experience significant fluctuations during the day, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $3.70 between its high and low, which is a change of 22.98%. Over the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 19.51%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of the year 2025 is expected on the 7th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative $6.23. It is important to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tonix Pharmaceuticals is at $20.53. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tonix Pharmaceuticals encounters its first support level at $14.63. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tonix Pharmaceuticals from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of February, 2025, Belle Margaret Smith conducted an insider sale of 1 share of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the 5th of February, 2025, Treco James conducted an insider sale of 2 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the 10th of June, 2024, Olukotan Adeoye conducted an insider sale of 812 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the 5th of February, 2025, Bagger Richard H. conducted an insider sale of 2 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On the 25th of February, 2025, Sanger Bradley conducted an insider purchase of 25,792 shares of stock options. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 97.208. Overall, insiders purchased 64,426,461 shares and sold 9 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.54, reflecting a decline of 5.62%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 1 day ago. Is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of March, we anticipate that Tonix Pharmaceuticals will open higher by approximately 99 cents, starting trading at $17.46. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.